This video is about how I put toilet on the old trailer. So I got a toilet. It's not new, but it's pretty much brand new, really. It's pretty. Nothing's wrong. I cleaned it. It works like it's supposed to. So what I need to do is I have to put this mounted on the base and connect it. I guess we use PEX pipe. I never done it, but Eric told me how to do it, so I'm gonna try my best to get this one done on my own without his help. So first I put the toilet where it's supposed to be. And then I had to figure out how I'm gonna connect it together. The existing PEX was a little too long, so I got the short PEX pipe and connect it and try to use the 90-degree elbow and crimp it with the crimper, and made sure using a little tool to make sure it was not too tight. And next I had to cut the existing pipe to the correct length. Originally I was trying to do all this when the toilet was still there, but it was just impossible, so I had to remove it. It was pretty hard to crimp it right next to the 90-degree angle because there was not much space in between. Hopefully I got it right. We will find out when we put the water connected. Also, threading this in was pretty hard because PEX is pretty stiff, so you have to have it just right to get it go through correctly. I got it done. Doesn't mean that it doesn't leak. So wish me luck. This is my first time using the crimper. Hopefully I did it right. Something is leaking. But I'm not quite sure what is. I had to hand tie a little bit more on this, and he might actually fix it. Let's wait and see. So now I know what's leaking from. It's here. So what does that mean? Do I have to hand tie it more, or just I need a plumber's tape? Of course, Eric had to come to the rescue. Well, I seriously thought I tightened this enough, because this was only hand tightened. You cannot use anything else. But Eric tightened it up and there's no more leak. And this is not leaking, thank goodness. I did it right. So it is doing what it's supposed to. Still kind of a little gunk is coming out because I just cleaned it. So, but yeah, it's working. I officially have running water toilet. Nothing's leaking. My beautiful work of PEX piping. Works. So almost. I mean, anybody wants to come and help us out, you guys are more than welcome to come now. Fridge is not working. I'm not sure about the heater, but AC is actually working here. It gets pretty cold too, so if anybody interested, you're more than welcome to come and visit. So I learned a new skill, crimping PEX pipe. Every day is a learning day at our off-grid property. Thank you so much for watching. More to come. Please stay tuned. Have a great day.